Anne opened a large bag of M&Ms and ate 10 M&Ms and gave 2/3 of what was left to Beth. Beth ate 6 of those M&Ms and gave 3/4 of what was left to Cindy. Cindy ate 12 of those M&Ms and gave 2/5 of what was left to Debbie. If Debbie received 24 M&Ms, how many M&Ms did Anne's bag of M&Ms have originally? We're going to solve this problem visually, and we are going to use the method called working backwards. So we're going to first do a pictorial representation of our question. Anne had some M&Ms. She ate 10 of those, and then whatever was left, she gave 2/3 of that left over to Beth. So that's why we have the first part looks like this. Let's see what happened to Beth. Whatever Beth got these two. That's what she got. And whatever she got, this is what she got. She ate 6 of those and took 3/4 of the leftover and gave it to Cindy. Okay, so let's erase everything and make sure we understand this. So what happened? Well, Beth took 3/4 of what was left over and gave it to Cindy. So this is equivalent to this. This is what Beth gave to Cindy. This is what Cindy got. What did Cindy do with her M&Ms? Cindy ate 12 of those, and whatever was left, he ate 2/5 of those. Sorry, Cindy ate 12 of the M&Ms, and whatever was left, she took 2/5 of those and gave it to Deb. And Deb received 24 M&Ms. We're going to write it right here. Okay. So once again, these two is same as this, and these three is same as all this, and these two parts that Debbie got is equivalent to 24. So let's erase all that. Let's see what we have next. What we have here is we took Debbie's 24 M&Ms and divided by 2. That gives me 12. So this has to be 12 and this has to be 12. Because Cindy gave away 24 M&Ms because Debbie received 24 M&Ms. And pictorially, what did Cindy give away? She gave away this much. So that has to be 24. So each pie slice has to be 12. Now, if these two are each worth 12, these three are also worth 12. Now we can find out the total number of M&Ms Cindy had by adding all these 5 12s and then this 12. It's just a coincidence that this is 12 and these are 12s. There are no direct links. So we are concluding if you add 12 times 5, 12 5 times, or 12 times 5 is 60, 60 plus 12 is 72. So Cindy received 72 M&Ms from Beth. Remember, we said this is what Beth gave to Cindy. These 3 pieces must add up to 72. Okay, so to find what each piece is worth, I took 72, total amount of M&Ms that Cindy received from Beth, divided by 3 because there are 3 parts, and I get 24. Each part must represent 24 M&Ms. That's why I write 24 here, 24 here, 24 here. This also should be 24. Now I can find out the total number of M&Ms Beth had. I multiply 24 by 4 plus 6. And let's see what we get. We get 102 M&Ms. So Beth had 102 M&Ms. Note, if Beth received 102 M&Ms from Anne, this must represent 102 because that's what Anne gave to Beth. So we take Beth's 102 M&Ms divided by 2, because there are two parts, and I get 51. So each part has to be 51. So we put 51 here, 51 here. This has to be 51 as well. And now we're almost done. What's the total number of M&Ms Anne had? It'll be 51 times 3, which is 153, plus 10, which is 163. So that's my answer, 163. Anne had 163 M&Ms.